Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making beef stew braised with beer and mushrooms. It's rich, hearty, and full of deep flavors. It's perfect for a cozy dinner and even more delicious the next day. Let's get started. This is a 2-pound chuck roast. Let's trim off the excess fat and slice into 1-inch chunks. You can brown them on the stovetop, but I'm going to broil them in the oven to save some time. Season with salt and spread them out on the baking sheet. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes to brown in the oven. Cut the celery into bite-sized chunks. And these are the celery leaves, which I'll use for garnish later. We'll need about a cup of diced white onion. Slice the carrots into large chunks. You can use any type of mushroom for this recipe. Today I'm using shiitake. Now let's cook the bacon. Render the fat and remove from the pot. Cook the onion in the bacon fat until it softens. Scrape up the fond as you go. Add the garlic and tomato paste. Fry for a minute. Then off camera, I added butter and flour and fried for a minute to make a roux. It'll help thicken the stew as I'm not using any potato in this recipe. Then add a can of your favorite beer. It'll add a depth of flavor to the beef stew. Then add plain water with beef bouillon. Add the beef with all the juices, which has so much flavor. Then the celery and mushrooms. Off camera, I also added bay leaves and thyme. Cover and simmer for 60 to 90 minutes. This is what it looks like after 90 minutes. Check the beef. It should be fork tender like this. Add the carrots and simmer until they're soft. When it's done, add frozen peas and a final check for seasoning. I'm garnishing with the celery leaves I chopped earlier. This beef is so tender, the savory broth is so rich and deep with flavor, and it's even better the next day. Would you serve this over mashed potatoes, rice, or with crusty bread? Hope you try this recipe for beef stew braised with beer and mushrooms. I'll see you at the next one.